Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If your Newfast AC1200 Wi-Fi extender is not working properly, this video will help you. We show the correct way to perform a factory reset using the reset button. This video covers the complete reset process for resetting, clears all old settings, and prepares the extender for fresh setup. The steps are explained in a simple and easy manner. This guide is perfect for beginners. So watch this video till the end for better and hassle-free reset process. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the extender. Resetting the extender is necessary to fix common problems like Wi-Fi connection issues, wrong settings, or forgotten passwords. It clears all old configurations and restores the extender to factory default mode. This helps you set up the extender fresh and make it work properly again. Now insert the Newfast AC1200 extender directly into a wall power socket. Make sure the switch, if available, is turned on. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes solid. This confirms the extender is fully booted and ready for reset. Find a small pinhole labeled reset on the side or bottom of the extender. This is a factory reset button, not a normal press button. Take a paper clip, SIM ejector tool, or pin. Gently insert it into the reset hole until you feel the button inside. Press and hold the reset button continuously for 8 to 10 seconds. Do not release early, or the reset may not start properly. While holding the button, the LED lights will blink, turn off, or change color. This indicates that the extender has accepted the reset command. Release the button only after the LEDs blink or turn off. The extender will now automatically reboot. Do not unplug the extender during this process. The reboot and reset process takes 1 to 2 minutes. When finished, the power LED will stay solid. Now reset process is successfully completed. All previous settings such as saved Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password, or router connection are now completely erased. The extender is restored to factory default mode. Now some important things to remember that is resetting will remove all old configurations. After reset, the extender will broadcast a default Wi-Fi name like Newfast_EXT. You must set up the extender again using WPS button or manual setup via browser. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.